We also can set up rules here. And so you can say, whenever you generate code, scan it with Semgrep to ensure it's secure. One simple prompt like that, that's a global rule. It's going to make sure that the security check is running in all cases. And, historically, I think it's been hard sometimes to get developers to install security related plugins into VS Code. But I think what's so cool is like developers are so excited about uh, MCP tools, about AI, that we're actually seeing a lot of adoption, a lot of excitement to actually set up a simple MCP server like this. So let's go a little bit further. So we've got our checklist. Cursor is going to write this code for me. It's writing the Flask app, the HTML, the setup script, and then a little README, which is great. And then here's where Semgrep comes in. So you can see, let's now run a security check on our code using Semgrep, and it's actually running this security check. I can open this up, and you can see the result of the check was 2 security issues were found, and there's a lot more detail here, which candidly can be a little hard to parse, but this is the beauty of an agent reading that. It's going to summarize it for your developer and say, hey, based on the security check, we need to modify our Flask app to not run in debug mode by default. And you can see in the original code that the AI wrote, it had debug equals true. And then actually once Semgrep kind of said, hey, that's not really a very secure pattern, it actually fixes it. And it writes a more flexible line here where it's using an environment variable to set the debug flag based on the environment that it's running in. And then it just automatically ran another security check for me. And this time I get no security issues found in the code. Again, this is so powerful because as Eric was mentioning, it's almost like how can you embed your security team's brain into this process? And that's what rules and Semgrep allow you to do, is like there's all these rules that are looking for these insecure patterns that AIs might generate. And so you get like this human review without actually having to have a human in the room manually reviewing this code.